And hey guys, it's me, Jack TNT, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are playing Mining Simulator on Roblox. Yeet. So as you can probably see, I've already done a bit of mining. So here we are in Toyland. And let's mine. So, I'm also playing here with my brother. Say hi.
Hello.
And he's gonna be playing too, and he's not as good as me, so
Of course I'm not, I just started.
So be okay then because he sucks.
That is noob. Jack, can you come out of toilet? It says I need a mine and 1,000 more blocks.
Wow, that's a lot of blacks.
Yeah, I know. So should I get mining?
Probs.
Okay. Goodbye.
I expect everyone to know what this is, but in case you don't, this is Mining Simulator.
And I suck at it.
So Caden's probably more like you than I am, so yeet. And
And if you suck, don't worry. I know how it feels.
so um so basically this is Mining Simulator, and my mum's being annoying. Yeah, because I'm recording a video and she's squirting stuff at the wall, which you could probably hear. So
And if you can't, you should
so
make a
basically,
hearing check.
this is a mine. They call it a mine. You mine blocks from the mine. Some are more valuable than others. Like, there's a value thing down there, like below next to my shadow unicorn. And then you go over to this place, and you sell it, and you get money. And then you go over to the buy thing, you stand on that, you buy tools or backpacks, and then buy something in there that you can afford. It's pretty simple, and at the moment I'm doing pretty well. So yeah, that's that. What else? Touch for 5 coins. I could literally jump on this all day. Ooh, VIP. Oh, the VIP mine. Okay. Didn't know they had a VIP mine. This is news to me.
Jack, where are you? You're in your
Hey,
private mine?
that's pretty good.
Jack, you in your private mine?
No,
Where
I'm
are
in the
you?
VIP mine. But I'll get out for you just for you.
Yeah, tell me when you're in your mine. Oh, I found
Return
a silver
home.
chest. Come here.
Oh, cool. Okay, I'm coming to my mine. So if you
Basically,
guys
the
don't know,
most
you can
silver
get a
chest in the
private
game.
mine,
Oh my
which
gosh,
costs
Jack, I found
150. Shut up,
I
kid.
found a silver
I'm going to annoy the crap out of this person.
Jack, I found a silver
Okay, let's do this. 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 Now, just to let you guys know, these are all legendary. And guys, I've got to tell you one thing.
Hey Jack, how do I get into the shop to buy
It's
me
not
pickaxes?
happening.
Oh, I have to go to buy.
Okay, that's good. So Ken, I'm teleporting to my claim, which guys, just remember it costs
But Jack,
150 Robux. Yeah?
never mind.
He can go die in a hole. Uh, oh my god, this guy can just go die in a hole. So Caden, if you want to come to my mine, that'd be great.
Oh, I will be coming, don't worry. The mine is so
We
much
will
better.
mine.
Wait, Jack, does your mine have
Mines.
Jack, does your mine actually have better minerals and stuff?
Yeah, they call it a mine.
Yes, they do. In case you were not, they do call them up.
They call it a mine.
I
Things
forgot
weird.
to sell my stuff. Sell that. There we go.
What the?
718. Big Hi. Oh,
That's
my
better.
fossil, mate. I want that.
Go get that fossil, brother.
Is mining deeper good?
Yeah,
I'm mining deeper then.
mining deeper.
Oh, fossil. Please don't mine that fossil. I need it. Oh,
This is a really boring video, probably.
yeah, definitely.
This is just to inspire you to come play video games. And also follow me, and I might even friend you if you're lucky. This guy should die in a hole.
Can you trade me a pet? Like, just a crap pet. I just want a pet.
Sure.
Yay. Can you
Trade.
ask me to trade?
Turtle through. I sent you a twist.
Accept.
A tweet request. Okay, you can have a Shadow Dominus. I'm just kidding, that's never happening. The best thing. You can have a pink monster.
Okay, can I please? Okay, I don't have anything.
And I'm not going to troll you. I accept it, see? Accept!
I've clicked accept. What do I do now?
It should do things.
It's not doing things.
Let's do it again. No, you didn't. Accept. Just wait for it to be able to accept. Accept it. Accepted! Accept.
I think I have to offer something, but I have nothing to offer. Alright, let's just decline it.
Okay. I can buy you an egg. Of your video.
Can you?
Yeah, I can.
Give it to me right now.
No.
Did you say that
No.
I have?
Hello, bye.
Okay,
I'm going to surface. Going to sell. Going to come to the buy place. I do.
Then why are you selling?
To get you pets.
Ooh, dinosaurs.
50 eggs.
Oh my gosh, it's
What? That worked? Oh my god. Equip.
Right, I've got to go surface. Yeet.
I have an egg somewhere. Yep, an epic egg.
Do I like pick it up or?
No.
Bye. What do I want to buy? I need to get a tool. A much better tool. Jack, should I save up for the sledgehammer, or should I get the?
Oh damn, mine collapsed.
Or the spore? Oh, okay. Well, oh.
Going back to my mind.
Okay. That's annoying. Mine collapsed.
The mine collapsed. Maybe you can just go die in a hole. Like, wait, what? They actually... Why? Do they take you out of the hole? What? Oh yeah, you're not allowed to mine for a bit. Well, it's just being a pee hole. Okay, let's go back. Just go to this mine.
Wait. Oh, I can't go into this mine. I can't go into any mine.
Yay, this one works.
Oh yay.
I'm going in this corner.
Oh my gosh, everybody is here. No, I'm getting out.
Don't come into this corner, Caden.
There's like a billion people there. I wouldn't mind over here. It's more safe. Safe from noobs.
Caden, you are a noob.
Not that bad.
Hmm.
Is it rare to find a chest?
Yeah, pretty rare.
Gold chest so good.
A lot.
case you people haven't picked up on it, I am noob and do not know anything about this.
When I get down to lower levels, these eggs will just go through in a breeze.
So, can I have that epic egg?
Yeah.
So how do I get it? Do you like trade it? Because the trading thing doesn't seem to be working.
I just trade you another pet. That's how it works. Sometimes the trade just doesn't work. It's a really weird mechanic in this game.
They're saying if you trade me 2 pets, it will work.
What?
You're saying if you trade me 2 pets, it will work?
No. But this one has the chance of being a really good one.
Can you go to your private mine now?
Yeah, soon.
Well, I'm getting a lot of money.
Hey, those chests are really good.
There's a golden chest up here.
Sorry that I haven't been talking much. This egg is really fast to disappear. This is just really calming watching. I've got a pink spider. Is that good? Let's see. Oh, that is actually. That increases your jump power by a lot. Inventory. Okay, well, I better be finishing up here. I am Jack TNT. Yay. Oh, well, I'm Jack TNT. This has been Mining Simulator. If you want to come join me, then too bad, you probably can't unless you friend me. Um, so, well, I am here. Da 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 da. I want this video to get to 14 minutes. 3, 2,